At the midbrain level, the descending corticospinal fibers travel through the cerebral peduncles in close proximity to several other critically important structures: the red nucleus, the substantia nigra, and the cranial nerve 3, oculomotor nucleus. This anatomical crowding within the midbrain has significant clinical implications. Because these structures are packed so closely together, midbrain lesions tend to produce complex, crossed neurological syndromes. For example, a patient might present with an ipsilateral, meaning same side, cranial nerve palsy combined with contralateral, opposite side, limb weakness. This crossed pattern is the hallmark of a brainstem lesion, as opposed to a cortical lesion, which produces same-side cranial nerve findings and opposite-side limb weakness. Beyond motor pathways, midbrain pathology can simultaneously disrupt three distinct systems: motor coordination through the red nucleus, direct voluntary movement through the corticospinal tract, and dopaminergic tone regulation through the substantia nigra. The substantia nigra is, of course, the structure whose degeneration underlies Parkinson's disease. So midbrain lesions can produce a complex mixture of pyramidal motor signs, cerebellar-type coordination problems, and Parkinsonian features all at once. So to reiterate, the midbrain contains the red nucleus and substantia nigra within the tegmentum, while the cerebral peduncles are nerve fiber bundles on the anterior surface. Together, they are involved in motor control and relay pathways. The red nucleus helps coordinate movement, particularly flexor muscle control. The substantia nigra is involved in regulating movement via dopamine, and the cerebral peduncles carry descending motor tracts from the cerebral cortex to the spinal cord. The red nucleus is located in the midbrain tegmentum. It communicates with cerebellar and other motor systems, and is associated clinically with contralateral ataxia or tremor when involved in midbrain syndromes, such as Benedict syndrome. The substantia nigra includes a pars compacta with primarily dopaminergic neurons and a pars reticulata with gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABAergic neurons. The cerebral peduncles are anterior midbrain white matter bundles containing descending motor pathways important for voluntary movement. Lesions can produce contralateral weakness, classically in Weber syndrome, with ipsilateral third nerve palsy. Midbrain perforators from the posterior cerebral artery supply the cerebral peduncles, substantia nigra, and red nucleus, and basilar artery branches supply the cerebral peduncles and medial portions of the red nucleus. In the next video, we will discuss cranial nerve motor nuclei along the brainstem. For best learning experience, please watch the videos in order. They are numbered by parts.